Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to write a Band 9 answer for IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. In this lesson, we'll look at a line graph that shows the percentage of households recycling in the UK, France, and Germany from 2005 to 2015. I'll show you the perfect structure, how to write a strong overview, and how to describe data clearly and accurately. Before writing, always remember that Task 1 has 4 main parts. 1. Introduction. Paraphrase the question. Just rewrite the question in your own words. Do not copy the question. Example. The line graph illustrates the percentage of households engaging in recycling in the UK, France, and Germany between 2005 and 2015. To overview, most important for Band 7 plus no numbers here. Just general trends. Mention. Who increased, who decreased? Highest and lowest. Example. Overall, while the UK and Germany experienced steady increases in recycling rates, France saw a significant decline before recovering slightly at the end. 3. Body paragraph 1. First details. Start with initial data 2005 to 2009. Compare countries. Key tips. Use words like while, whereas, compared to. Include numbers. For body paragraph 2, later details, talk about 2010 to 2015 trends. Highlight final values. Mention peak, lowest points. In 2005, France had the highest recycling rate at about 50%, while Germany had the lowest at 20%. The UK stood in the middle at around 35%. By 2009, both the UK and Germany increased steadily by around 10%, whereas France dropped to below 40%. Always compare countries instead of writing separately. This increases your band score. From 2010 onwards, the UK and Germany continued to rise steadily. By 2015, the UK reached just over 60%, slightly higher than Germany, which was just under 60%. In contrast, France kept falling until 2013, reaching its lowest point at 30%, before recovering to nearly 40% in 2015. Use phrases like in contrast, however, and while to show differences. Key vocabulary. Steady increase equals gradual rise. Significant decline equals big drop. Recovered equals went up again. Reached a peak equals highest point. Hit a low equals lowest point. So, to get a Band 7 or higher in IELTS Writing Task 1, follow the 4-paragraph structure. Write a clear overview. Use comparisons and data, and use accurate vocabulary. Practice this structure, and you'll see improvement very quickly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS lessons.